Very good afternoon, good evening, and good night, good morning, wherever you are watching this from. So, welcome to today's lesson. We are going to discuss about grade 5 creative arts. This one was for the midterm and also interim, how the exams are set for creative arts and sports. And without wasting time, let's have a glimpse on this. The first question is list 3 methods of decorating model clay items to make them look attractive. Clay items, we can decorate them through vanishing. We have vanishing, then we have embedding, we have incising. We can also have use of smoke, that is smoking, among other ways there. Then what do you call a technique used in weaving? A technique used in weaving where a warp and 2 sets of wefts are used. That one is twining technique. Then list any 4 materials you require when making a montage composition. Montage involves pasting of images on the wall to create an idea or a composition. So this one you need a cardboard. You can need also manila paper and any other surface just for pasting of the pictures. Therefore, you will also need the pictures. Those are the materials that you will require to use. Then question number 4. Dash is the lightness or darkness of a color. We say tone. Tone is the lightness and darkness of the color. Number 5. What do you call the art of creating pictures or images by applying color on a surface? So when we apply color on a surface, that one automatically will become painting. That's one is the painting. Then use of pencil to create blended tonal variation strip on the rectangular shown below. This one involves practical approach. Of course, I'll create a lesson about how to work on blended tonal variation strip. You can have just draw the rectangular, you draw your strips, then start from one tone, dark tone, maybe to light tone, like that. That one will be very correct using the shading technique or smudging. Then question number 7. Grade 7 learners at Mtwapa Primary School were told by their art teacher, that is Mr. Masinde, art and craft teacher, to name 4 flexible fibers they can use to weave mats. What do you think they named? So flexible materials, we can use things like sisal ropes, we can use other things like reeds among others, and maybe strong grasses as well. Then name and draw one traditional leather item. Leather items, we can talk about belts, we can talk about shin holds, we can talk about things like drums among others. So you can draw anything that you feel you are able to draw. Then dash, that's number 9. Dash lettering is done without the use of geometrical instruments unless the person is drawing freehand. That one is freehand lettering. Then list the 3 parts of a letter. 3 parts of a letter, we have descender, ascender, and the body. Descender, ascender, and the body. Then number 11, percussion musical instruments are categorized into 2 main groups. These are dash and dash. We have melodic and non-melodic. Melodic are those that produces different tunes or sounds. Then non-melodic are those that doesn't just produces one kind of sound. Percussion instruments. Number 12. Grade 4 learners at Matopeni Primary Schools were told by their music teacher, Mr. Masinde, to bring 4 locally available materials in order to make a shaker. So what materials were they likely to bring? We can have things like a thread and local threads from the clothes, or maybe sacks. Then we can have sticks, and another thing that we can carry along, we can carry bottle tops, for the soda or so around there. Then number 13, draw the shaker. Draw the shaker the grade 4 learners are likely to make using the named question there. Just that one is another lesson for drawing. You can just have a V stick, then with the inside you tie a string and indicate the bottle tops inserted there. Let's look at this one. This is a music part. Write the definition of the following types of songs. Sacred songs. Sacred songs are also called religious songs, and these are songs sang to praise God and are worshipped in the churches and maybe any sacred places like mosques. Patriotic songs. These are songs that shows love to our country and our leaders. Lullabies. They are songs sang to soothe the babies to sleep. Topical songs. They are songs that are sang to address a certain issue or things that are affecting the community. Then action songs, we say these are songs that are accompanied by actions when singing. Use the diagram below to answer the questions. Use the diagram below to answer the questions below. So we have this diagram. This one is known as a descant recorder. Descant recorder, it has part C, part B, and another bottom part there. So what do you call the above musical instrument? The musical instrument is known as a descant recorder. As I said earlier, that one is a descant recorder. Then which method can you use to play the above musical instrument? We say we use the play the above musical instruments by blowing. That's a wind instrument. Name the parts labeled. We go back to the parts. We see which parts are these. We have the mouthpiece there. We have the C mouthpiece. Then we have B window. Then A is the fingering hole. C mouthpiece. Then B we have window. Then A we say these ones are known as fingering holes. These ones are fingering holes, and fingering holes are also known as knot holes. They are also known as body holes. Question 17, it says, name 3 body parts that can be used to make movements when dancing. When dancing, when we go to Western, we have Kamabeka, we can use the shoulders, you can use the head, you can use the legs, you can also use the hands and also the waist as you shake. Then that one, those are the most common parts that can be used in dancing. Then list any 5 examples of improvising materials. Improvising materials, you can have things like what? When we're improvising like soccer balls, we can improvise buckets. We can also improvise. Colors. When we want to color, you can use colors which are improvised from the roots and among others. You can also name other things that you can improvise from the local environment. List materials we can use to improvise durable relay buttons. We can use sticks by there, or we can use plastic tubes, or maybe some sticks we shape them well. Why should a relay button be smooth? And give 3 reasons for this. Number 1, it should be smooth to avoid accidents or maybe scratching or maybe cutting a person. They are also smooth to make sure that they land in a hand softly without bringing maybe or causing accidents to the learners, that has a repetition of the same. Then 21, list any 2 reasons why improvising is important. Number 1, we improvise to generate creativity of a person, and number 2, also to utilize the locally available materials to avoid their wastages. Number 22, list any 3 safety measures we observe while hurdling. So when hurdling, you are jumping over obstacles. Number 1, you make sure you remove sharp objects or sharp things from the ground. Number 2, wear correct attires, and number 3, follow the rules and regulations that are given. Then number 23, while participating in races, why should we keep our eyes focused on the ground? We keep our eyes focused on the ground to make sure that we doesn't slip or maybe step on objects which can easily make us fall and the ground, hence injuring ourselves or things that will be on the ground. And that was the last question about creative arts and sports, grade 5. I will be revising more exams from grade 4 to grade 9. So make sure you subscribe in this channel and share to your friends. Make this the home of performing arts or creative arts and sports revision and referral. For more questions, you can also reach out to inbox and I'll be able to assist. Thank you and have a good day, evening, night, wherever you are watching. I've been your reviser, Sam Martins. Thank you.